Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the all-in-one lens everyone's been talking about, the Tamron 18-300mm f3.5 to 6.3 VC VXD, made specially for the Sony E-mount mirrorless APS-C cameras. Could this be the ultimate one-lens solution for Sony shooters? Let's unbox it, mount it in the Sony ZV-E10 II, and take it for the spin. Let's see what's inside the box. We got the lens itself, a petal-shaped lens hood, and some paperwork. Super minimal. Right away, the 18-300 feels surprisingly light for the range it covers, but still solid. This lens gives you equivalent of 27 to 450mm on the Sony APS-C body. That's wild for a lens this compact. Let's get this on my Sony ZV-E10 II. Lock it smoothly, and now you get the lens that goes from the wide angle to extreme telephoto without swapping glasses. So here's why people love this lens. The zoom range is insane. Wide shot at 18mm for landscape or vlogging, up to 300mm for wildlife, sports, or street photography. It's a weather sealed, which is great for travel for outdoor adventures, and the VXD linear motor gives you fast, silent autofocus, perfect for both stills and video. And don't forget the Tamron's VC stabilization, which is lifesaver when you're shooting handheld at the long end. At 18mm, this is actually wide enough to vlog comfortably, even on the APS-C sensor. Plus, the autofocus is silent and responsive, great for on-to-go content. Zooming in around 70 to 100mm is where you will get a nice subject separation for the portraits, and the image stabilization helps you to keep shoots sharp handheld. And at 300mm, you can get really punch-in perfectly for wildlife and street photography when you want to capture details from the distance without moving closer. Image quality, I'm impressed. Sharp throughout most of the zoom range, decent bokeh when zooming, and the colors were great straight out of the camera. I noticed some minor distortion at 18mm, but that's easy to correct in a post or via Sony's body lens compensation. For video shooters, this lens paired with the Sony E-mount bodies makes for a super versatile combo. The autofocus tracks smoothly, and with the VC on, you can shoot handheld at 300mm without introducing too much shake. So here's my quick pros and cons after testing the lens on the Sony Mirrorless camera. For Sony APS-C shooters, this is probably one of the most versatile lenses out right now. Whether you are traveling, vlogging, or doing street photography, or shooting wildlife, you can do it all with just one lens. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you use this as your everyday lens for your Sony camera? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.